So, meron akong chicken dito, chicken thigh. Ayan. So, i-dry ko lang siya. And then, i-marinate natin. Lots of black pepper, garlic powder, and I have chicken powder, allspice, cayenne pepper, now for liquids, I have mirin, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, seasoning, oyster sauce. And we're going to mix this all together. Smells nice. Ooh, smells so good. And then marinate this for 30 minutes. So this is for the sauce, ketchup. Lagyan natin ng seasonings. And black pepper, garlic powder. Lagyan natin ng mirin konti. Black soy sauce. Oyster sauce. So, and then honey. I-mix natin. Tikman natin. Perfect. Pero para mas masarap at medyo may kunting anghang, lagyan natin ng cayenne pepper. In a pan, lagyan natin ng oil. Just enough. Painitin muna natin. And here, ating ibabad sa cornstarch yung chicken. So, ganito lang. Saka natin ilagay dito. And dahan-dahan nating baliktarin. Yung crispiness niya. Hinaan natin kunti yung apoy. Look, oh. Look at this. Perfect. So this is cooked. I-drain lang natin dito. Tingnan niyo, oh. Perfect.